Boeing's defense business reported on Thursday that the U.S. Navy's aircraft carrier-borne tanker drone program takes another step forward. In a X post, Boeing Defense said the first Navy MQ-25 Stingray unmanned tanker recently moved off the production line to our static test facility. This is the first of 9 Stingrays to be put through static, fatigue and flight tests to ensure durability and airworthiness, the message added. The MQ-25 Stingray will be the world's first operational, carrier-based unmanned aircraft and provide aerial refueling and intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities that enhance capability and versatility for the Carrier Air Wing (CVW) and Carrier Strike Group (CSG). MQ-25 is comprised of 2 major segments: the MQ-25 Air System, Air Vehicle, and the Unmanned Carrier Aviation Mission Control System, UMCS, the system required for carrier integration and command and control of the MQ-25 air vehicle and payload. PMA-268 manages these segments as the government Lead Systems Integrator, LSI.